Quarter 4 exam. Part 1. CER use the following information to answer questions 1 through 3. The following waves represent sound from two different instruments. Use the pictures, make a claim, and support your claim with the correct evidence and reasoning. Sound A's frequency is 7 Hz and its amplitude is 1 centimeter. Sound B's frequency is 2.5 Hz and amplitude is 1 centimeter. Number 1. Which of the following would be true about the two sounds? A. Sound A would be louder than sound B. B. Sound A would be quieter than sound B. C. Sound A would be higher pitched than sound B. Or D. Sound A would be lower pitched than sound B. Number 2. Which of the following is evidence from the image that supports your answer to question 1? A. Sound A has a higher amplitude than sound B. B. Sound A has a lower amplitude than sound B. C. Sound A has a higher frequency than sound B. Or D. Sound A has a slower frequency than sound B. Number 3. Which of the following statements provides reasoning for your answer to question 1? A wave with a higher frequency has a higher pitch. B. A wave with a lower frequency has a lower pitch. C. A wave with a higher amplitude has a louder volume. Or D. A wave with lower amplitude has a softer volume. Part 2. Literacy. A circuit is the path followed by an electrical current. A current is made up of 3 parts. The first part is an energy source, such as a battery or a generator. The second part is an energy recipient, such as a motor or a lamp. The third part is a connection, such as a wire or a cable that carries energy from the source to the recipient. There are 2 basic types of circuits: a series circuit and a parallel circuit. Series circuits are easy to understand if you think about old Christmas lights or any strand of light bulbs linked to each other. What happens if one bulb goes out on the strand of lights? They all go out. This is because a series circuit is the energy to go through one recipient to the next. If a bulb blows out, the energy stops at the bulb. It never makes it to the next bulb. A parallel circuit can be more efficient than a series circuit. Energy is passed through both the recipients and through a second connection. As long as there's an energy source, electricity will always be able to reach each recipient. If there is a problem with one recipient, the other recipients are not affected. Number 4. What would happen if one light went out in a parallel circuit? A. All of the lights would go out. B. All of the lights except for that one would stay lit. C. The energy source would stop working. Or D. The circuit would become a simple circuit. Number 5. According to this passage, what is the second part of a circuit? A. An electric current. B. An energy source. C. Energy recipient. Or D. Generator. Part 3 is vocabulary. Use the definitions as answer choices for questions 6 through 10. Number 6 says compression. Number 7 is rarefaction. 8 is amplitude. 9 is wavelength. And 10 is frequency. Letter A. The distance between 2 similar parts of a wave, so from crest to crest. Letter B. The maximum distance from the rest position that the median moves in a wave. Letter C. The parts of a longitudinal wave that are closest together. Letter D. How many waves are created every second, measured in hertz? And letter E. The parts of a longitudinal wave that are spread apart. Part 4. Objective. Number 11. What role does energy play in sound? A. Sound waves have nothing to do with energy. B. Sound waves carry energy. C. energy is present in loud sounds only, or D, energy is present in high-pitched sounds but not in low-pitched sounds. Number 12. What sort of frequency do high-pitched sounds have? A, high, B, low, C, medium, or D, no frequency. Number 13. What two aspects of sound go together? A, pitch and frequency, B, decibels and pitch, C, pitch and volume, or D, amplitude and pitch. Number 14. What does amplitude measure in a sound wave? A, frequency, B, volume, C, pitch, or D, echoes. Number 15. Which type of energy is sound energy? A, potential, B, static, C, kinetic, or D, thermal. Number 16. What causes electricity? A, the nucleus of an atom, B, moving neutrons, C, moving protons, or D, moving electrons. Number 17. What type of charge do electrons have? A, a negative charge, B, no charge, C, a positive charge, or D, an atomic charge. Number 18. Which of the following is an example of electricity that is created by nature? A, wind turbines, B, water dams, C, socks in a dryer, or D, lightning. Number 19. A spoon left in a hot cup of coffee gets warm because A, the chemical energy from the coffee is transferred to the spoon, B, the cold energy from the spoon is transferred to the coffee, C, the light energy from the spoon is transferred to the coffee, or D, the heat energy from the coffee is transferred to the spoon. Number 20. Which of the following best describes a physical change? A, when molecules combine to form a compound, B, when a new element is created, C, when size, shape, or state of matter changes, or D, when elements combine to form a molecule. Number 21. Which of the following suggests a chemical change took place? A, a new substance is formed, B, the substance is smaller than it was before the change took place, C, the substance has been shaken up, or D, the substance looks the same as it did before the change took place. Number 22. What effect does the speed of molecules have on matter? A, it helps figure out the matter's density, B, it controls the matter's weight, C, it determines the mass of matter, or D, it determines what state the matter is in. Number 23. When heating up matter, how do the particles react to the heat? A, they slow down and strike with more force. B, they slow down and strike with less force. C, they speed up and strike with more force. Or D, they speed up and strike with less force. Part 5. Written response. Answer the following questions on your answer document. Number 24. Sketch a wave so that it has a higher frequency and a lower amplitude than the one pictured below. Then describe how the pitch and volume changed from the first wave to your wave. Number 25. Use the symbols below, draw a series circuit and a parallel circuit. Your drawing must have 3 bulbs each.